Is low self-esteem caused by nature or nurture? This is an interesting question. So back to the question, we are all born with self-esteem and the expectation that we deserve unconditional love. Life does not always deliver on that expectation, which can lead to interpretations and self-beliefs that we are not enough, not lovable, not deserving, and our self-esteem can be affected or even shattered. So, nurture. Now, these beliefs, once embedded, can stay with us and shape us for a lifetime, often in very damaging ways. And so maybe this explains why it's estimated that 85% of the human population suffers from low self-esteem. And that's why I'm so passionate about hypnotherapy and life coaching, because it's such an effective way to restore that self-worth and self-esteem along with confidence, health, and more